This is our 6mm milling bit with flutes along the side. This allows the machine to mill both vertically and horizontally. The CNC machine here is controlled by software on the laptop. This software tells the machine what to do, when to rotate the axle, and how to move the horizontal and vertical milling bit. Vinci will press go. It will run through the code and start the machine.
This is our wind tunnel. What this allows us to do is we can put a model in, it will put white air through there, and we get to see the disruptances in the air and how the air is flowing over to make sure we're being as efficient as possible on the racetrack. One important thing to remember when we've been designing this car, drop the drag so we're not increasing downforce. So essentially, what we're doing is we're going away from F1 cars and making a drag car. And this makes us go faster in a straight line. And while it would make us worse in cornering, it doesn't matter when your whole race is one line.